16 by 13. It's a commercial door in an old barn, and it's a low headroom situation. And the client is telling me it wasn't working too well. So I get here and I see this. Crazy mess. See how they got the side mount all the way over there? Solid shaft. Safety sensors are mounted on the wall right there. Cable tension monitor is stuck wide open. Holy shit. The wood there against that header. You can see where the shaft goes through that I-beam, and it's all hooked up over here. On a normal low headroom situation where the drums are on the outside versus on the inside, they don't recommend that you hook the machine up. My plan is to try to take the drums, move them on the inside to make it a normal headroom situation. Put some different bottom brackets on it, put the drums on the inside. Try to make the door function first before we even think about the opener. So that's what I got today. Fun, so I'm gonna dive into this. All right, so I got the drum where it needs to be on the inside to make this happen. I had to cut the low headroom track so the cable would miss. Just cut that off. I used footstep brackets. I didn't use the brackets that they send for these because they only send one. Please leave a comment if you think that they should send two. I just don't think one's good enough because these things do the weeble wobble.
What?
If you're familiar with these machines, you know what I mean. So I got one on that side right there. I got one right there. And it definitely reduces that wobbling around action that these things will give you. But yeah, I had to mount this like this just because the application called for it. Some of y'all may be like, yo, you got that thing upside down, but yeah, I get it, but sometimes you gotta think outside the box and and just do what the particular scenario calls for to make it work. Take the springs down, reverse them, flip them around. Yeah, these things were a monster. I had to take them down by myself, and then the customer, he was here later, and he actually helped me carry them up. And yes, I know, before you go and beat me up about the safety sensors, where they're mounted, they got some concrete work that they're going to be doing. The client wants, he wants them up out of the way for right now.
Why?
Just because the concrete guys are going to be doing some stuff down there and, don't want to be getting them knocked around, banged up. For the time being, we just put them right there. They will be moved 1 to 6 inches off the floor. Everything's all said and done. Yeah, there we go. Definitely works a whole heck of a lot better. Yeah, let's give this thing a test drive.
And action.
Oh yeah. So we got to push our spring up there. That's what that noise is at the very end. Pushing back down, keeping the cable nice and taut. Run it back down. All right. And that's what the guy was looking for. Looks pretty good. Yeah, you can see the double brackets on the side mount, definitely reduces that weeble wobble. Good stuff. And there we have it, folks. I'm super happy with this. If you got any questions about this job, please comment, hit that like button, yada, yada, yada. You know the drill. We shall see you on the next one. Peace out, y'all.